Element Ballistics is a ballistic solver that you can use with any rifle or scope. It gives you a firing solution and you can dial it in or hold on the reticle. But it was actually also primarily designed to integrate with some of our ballistic rangefinders and smart scopes that we developed with the same software. We have a series of electro-optics products that you can pair with, upload profiles to, and use to obtain instant, accurate firing solutions out to thousands of meters. This will be more of a generic video because each device has a slightly different configuration screen and slightly different procedures. For example, some allow you to upload multiple profiles at once, some allow you to only upload one profile, some are firmware updatable, some are not, but this is just an example. First, you're going to want to make sure that you've given permission to the app to use Bluetooth, which will be needed to pair with external devices. Secondly, you're going to take the device that you want to pair with. For this example, I've got a little Helix 1500 ballistic rangefinder from Element Optics, and you're going to switch it on, which in this case is just pressing the range button. With this on, you can now go into the Bluetooth icon, which is the top left, and that will show you which devices are available to pair with. There you go, Helix 1500. I'm going to connect to it, and this opens the configuration screen. As I said, every configuration screen for different devices may be slightly different, but in this case, the configuration screen allows us to set our screen timeout and also allows us to select a profile to upload. I'm going to just upload profile 1, and there you go. Profile 1 uploaded successfully, very quick and easy, and I'm now going to hit disconnect. It's important to disconnect because if you don't, you're basically telling the app that the device needs to stay paired and you're going to just drain the battery on your device. It's not going to time out and go into standby mode like it normally would because it thinks it's paired. So important to do that. But there you go. That's how easy it is. And we've tried to make it a very simple process. We've tried to make it so that you can use your phone as a user interface to do all of the hard work like creating a profile, so you're not sitting inside the rangefinder trying to figure out how the menu system works. The beauty of this is that the data that you've now spent time creating, checking, calibrating, getting perfect on the Element Ballistics app is now on an external device, and you can put your phone away or switch it off, and you can use the device independently with the same processing power as your app. To learn more about Element Optics products, you can visit our website at element-optics.com.